Today our topic is articles. There are three words a and the which are known as articles. Articles are divided into two parts, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a or an. These are used with general things. For example, a book, an elephant. Definite article, this is the. It is used with specific things. For example, the earth, the weather. First of all, we'll, we'll do indefinite articles. For indefinite articles, that is for a or an, we'll do on the basis of words. Words are divided on the sounds. It is vowels and consonants. Vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We use an with these vowels. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella. Next is consonants. If we take out 5 vowels from all the alphabets of English, then 21 letters are left. These are B, C, D, F, and so on. All these 21 letters are consonants. Now, there are some words which starts with these consonants. For example, this word honest, it has started with H, which is a consonant, but the sound which these words gives are not of a consonant. For example, this word honest is not pronounced as honest. It is pronounced as honest. So it is giving a sound of vowel. So we use an with honest. On the other hand, if a word is starting with same H and it is giving sound of her, that is hut, then we will use a with this word. Then there are some words beginning with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. For example, university, which starts with U; European, it starts with EU; and one, it starts with O. All these letters are vowels, but these are not giving sounds of vowel, so we pronounce them a university, a European country, a 1 rupee note. These are not starting with the sounds of vowels, so we do not use an with these words, we use a with these words. Next is the. It is the definite article. We use the with unique or only one thing. For example, the sun, the internet. We use the with the noun which is used for second time. For example, I bought a shirt, the shirt is red. Here in this sentence, we use this word shirt second time, so we will not say a shirt. Second time we'll use the shirt. And third is with directions: the east, the west, the north, the south, when you're talking about the directions. There are some nouns where no articles are needed in front of them. There are some nouns where no articles are needed in front of them. These are sports. For example, baseball, tennis, hockey. Your school subjects. It could be any. Science, art, music, or any other subject. Languages. French, English, Punjabi. These are some examples. Names of lakes and bays. Sukna Lake. Names of single mountains. Mount Everest. Continents: Europe, Asia, Africa. Provinces or states: Goa, New York. Cities: Patna, Amritsar, Dehradun, or any city. Countries: India, Nepal, England, or here note down one point, except the United States of America, because here the is part of the name of this country. And last is names of streets: Main Street, Gopal Street. With all these examples, it is clear that no articles are required in front of sports, school subjects, languages, names of lakes and bays, names of single mountains, continents, provinces or states, cities, countries, names of streets.